Full-time meal this week, ladies and gentlemen, it's a burger. But not a beef burger, it's a turkey burger, and delicious it is too. You are gonna need turkey mince from the thigh, curry powder, a carrot, a red onion, a wheat biscuit, burger cheese, burger buns, lettuce, tomatoes, and some mayonnaise. The kitchen kit you're gonna need this week is a grater, a bowl, flippy lifter thing, a frying pan, a knife, peeler, cup spoons for measuring stuff. Turkey mince into the bowl. Now we want to get some flavours into it and some texture. So take the top and the tail off the red onion and peel it. And you're going to grate it on the coarse side, okay? The good thing about grating it, it gets dispersed evenly through that turkey mince. It's stinging my eyes.
Is there anything you can do about it?
Yeah, there's a lot you can do about this. You can get someone else to do it for you. And then you can come in, take over, and grate the carrot. And then the grated carrot and the onion of acid and evilness goes in to the turkey. Next, a little pinch of curry powder. Then, the next thing to go into this is the thing that will hold it all together, to bind it. This is a wheat breakfast cereal. Just one of them will do. Crumble that in. And this definitely won't make you cry. And then, get your hands into the burger mix and squish it all about. You make it so it looks a little bit like a turkey loaf, like that, all right? This is going to make 4 burgers. So, in half, just roughly, and then in half again. And then just kind of shape them to lovely burger shapes. A little drizzle of oil, not too much. With your flipper, pop them into the pan. Right, they're frying. I'm going to give my board a clean, ready to chop some more bits and bobs to go into the burger. Whilst my turkey burgers are frying, I'm just going to slice my tomatoes. I'm going to get myself some nice iceberg lettuce. This makes burgers crispy and crunchy when you eat them in a bun. So after about 5 minutes on each side, these are cooked. You might need to flip them backwards and forwards 3 or 4 times throughout the cooking. And if you want to, you can turn them into a cheeseburger. I'm going to use one of these burger slices. If you just put them on once they're hot, the cheese just kind of melts and goes all gooey. It's time to make them. Got 4 burger buns. On the bottom, a little bit of mayonnaise. Give it a squish round. Then your burgers go on. Then the crispy and crunchy iceberg. 2 or 3 slices of tomato. And then the bun lids. Now, if you have it, you can stick burger relish in it. If you want brown sauce, mustard, whatever you like. I don't care. Just make the burgers, make them lush. And if you can, see if you can stack them that high. Well done, guys. Congratulations. Another meal done. Listen, let me know how you've got on using the hashtag fulltimemeals and follow the page where there's loads more recipes.